Good morning. Myself Manoj Kumar, Department of Business Administration, Dr. S.N.S. Lakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. I'd like to explain my topic about Python commands. Python commands, command in Pythons are the lines in the code that are ignored by the interpreter, the execution of the program. I am a single line command, multi-line command used with the print Python commands. Commands enhance the readability of the code and help the programs to understand the code of very carefully. It also help in collaborating with other developers as adding commands make it easier to explain the code. There are three types of commands in Python: single line command, multi-line command, string command, or string command. So, single line command, that means commands are useful, very important. That is commands to importance lines the code for ignored by the interpreter during the execution of the program. I'm a single line command, multiple line command. The commands increase the readability of the code and help the program to understand the code of very carefully. It also helping in collaborating with other developers or adding the command make it easier to explain the code. Types of command in Python, that is command, it can be saying Python commands are ignored by during execution of the program. The example, that means enhance the code readability, explained code to others, and understanding code if studied after sometimes, and documenting the step and need for a function, and sharing code with the fellow developers, and collaborating with the multiple people. Types of command in Python: the single line command start with the hashtag symbol has with no white spaces and last till the end of the line. If the command exits one line, then put a hashtag on the next line to continue the Python command. Python single line command are provide useful for supplying short explanation for the variable, function declaration, and expressions. So the following codes, the demonstrating for the single line command: print the Greeks for Greeks, like that. Multi-line command, the Python does not provide the option of multi-line command. However, there are different ways through we can write a multi-line commands. Multi-line commands use the multiple hashtag. We can multiple hashtag to write the multi-line commands in Python. Each and every line to be considered as a single line command. Um, Print multi-line command means the multi-line command has been using two hashtags, and string literals. The Python ignores the string literals. They are not assigned to the variable, so we can use these string literals as Python commands. Single line command using the string literals on executing the above code, we can that there will be not be any output. So we use the string with a triple quotes as a multi-line command. This will be ignored by the Python. The Python doc string is the string literals with triple quotes. They appear right after the function. It used to be associated documentation that can be written with the Python modules, functions, classes, and methods. It is added right below the functions, modules, or classes to describe that what they do in Python. The doc string is made of available the doc attribute. Doc attribute the return the multiple doc. The advantage of commands in Python: commands are generally used with the following purpose: code readability, explanation of the code, or a metadata of the project, and prevent execution of the code to include resources. Right way to write command. Commands serve the main purpose to explain your code. Develop use healthy command writing the practice to better understanding of the code. Some of the tips you can be follows: command should be short and precise. Use command only when necessary. Don't clutter your code with commands. Commands should be a some meaning. Avoid writing generic or basic commands. Write commands that they are self explanatory. We all discussed about the Python commands, how to write a Python commands, and types of command. What is the advantage and the right way to write a command? That means ready to drive in the future. It is your gateway to cutting edge of the world of AI, artificial intelligence. A perfect of the course will teach you. Um right, we discussed about the all Python commands also. uh, Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you very much.